In this video, I'll show you two quick ways to fix Roblox Error Code 279. Fix 1. Clear Roblox cache. Open your browser and go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies and see all site data and permissions. Search for Roblox, click the trash icon and delete it. Restart Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. If it's not fixed too, change DNS Open Control Panel and click View Network Status and Tasks. Open your active network and click Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred. DNS 8.8.8.8 Alternate. DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, restart Roblox, and this will solve your problem. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick fixes.